Ever wondered how your laptop could turn into a money-making machine? Welcome to the age of digital entrepreneurship, where making money online is not just a reality, but a thriving industry. Step 1. Identify your niche. The internet is a vast marketplace, and to stand out, you need to offer something unique. Whether it's graphic design, content creation, coding, or even life coaching, find where your skills and passions intersect and carve out your own corner of the web. Step 2. Create a strong digital presence. Not only does this mean starting a website or a blog, but also being active on social media and networking platforms. This is your storefront, your brand, your voice. Make it as professional and as personable as you can. Step 3. Market your services or products. This is where search engine optimization comes into play. Learn the basics of SEO to ensure your website or blog is easily discoverable. Use social media to promote your services or products. Engage with potential clients and build a community around your brand. Step 4. Monetize your platform. This could mean selling your products or services, offering online courses, hosting webinars, or even affiliate marketing. There are multiple ways to monetize your platform, and the best strategy will depend on your niche. Step 5. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider multiple ways to make money, such as advertising, sponsorships, partnerships, or even creating your own digital products. Step 6. Stay consistent and keep learning. The digital landscape is ever evolving. Staying updated with the latest trends and continuously honing your skills is key to staying relevant and competitive. To wrap it all up, let's revisit the key points. First, identify your niche, your unique selling point in the vast digital marketplace. Second, establish a strong digital presence. This is your online identity, your brand. Third, market your services or products effectively. Utilize SEO and social media to your advantage. Fourth, monetize your platform. This could be through selling products or services, online courses, webinars, or affiliate marketing. Fifth, diversify your income. Consider multiple avenues for revenue to ensure financial stability. And finally, stay consistent and never stop learning. The digital world changes fast. Keep up and stay ahead. Remember, making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires commitment, creativity, and a lot of hard work. But with the right approach, your laptop could indeed become a profitable venture. Welcome to the world of digital entrepreneurship.